guys, in today's video this is going to be part 2 of my favorites, and this video is going to be my current beauty favorites. Now, a lot of it isn't necessarily makeup, but I do use this stuff quite often and I've been loving it recently. So I'm just going to share the few beauty items that I have with you guys right now. The first things that I want to share with you are two Morphe eyeshadow palettes. The first one being one that I got for Christmas, which was the Jaclyn Hill palette. So here's what the inside looks like. I like this palette a lot because it has such a huge variety of colors, shades, and finishes. And I just think that you can create so many different looks with this, and I love it for that. It is quite large, so I don't know if I would necessarily want to bring it anywhere like traveling. So the next one I have is the Morphe 9C Jewel Crew palette. I saw this palette at Ulta and I had to have it. I don't know why, but I loved the combination of the warm red tones with the cool purple tones. I just think that that looks really pretty, and I'm actually wearing it on my eyes right now. I don't know if you can see it from this distance, but I am wearing this on my eyes today. The next thing that I want to share with you guys is actually a highlight palette, and I got this from Kohl's. This is the Academy of Color Strobe and Glow palette. I love this white one the most. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them all for you guys. And like I said, I got this at Kohl's. I believe it was around $12 maybe. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch those highlighters. They are so blinding, especially if you get them wet. But I love these highlighters. They're like the most crazy shiny highlighters that I own currently. And you can actually, well, when I got this, it's actually like in the little area at Kohl's by like the checkout where they try to get you to buy stuff on your way out. That's where these were located. The next thing I want to share with you is my favorite concealer, and this is the NYX Got You Covered concealer, and this is in the shade Light. I love to use this concealer under my eyes. It does a really great job of covering dark circles, but also I love using it to just clean up my lid and my eyebrows, like when I do a cut crease or when I carve out my brows. This product is just the right consistency and coverage for that. You obviously will need to set it with powder, but other than that, I really like this concealer a lot. Moving on to this, oh, I just realized that that palette's chilling in the background. Moving on to this lip scrub. This is the Fizz and Bubble Mint Mojito lip scrub, and it's just a jar of lip scrub. I think this was $6 at Ulta, and you just get some sugar, rub it on your lips, and exfoliate your lips. I do this pretty much every night, and it's really good for like in the winter because your lips get pretty dry in the winter. So I really do like this, and they have all kinds of different flavors too. Next, we have two peel off face masks. One is the black mask, which I'm sure you are all familiar with, and then this one is the Formula 10 peel off mask in blueberry pineapple. They have all kinds of different ones for different skin types, different needs, and they smell good, and they actually dry really well too. I know that some face masks, when you go to peel them off, they just break apart. They don't peel like they're supposed to, but both of these do. I got this one off of Wish for free. So I'm sure you can find the black mask like this on Wish, Amazon, pretty much anywhere. It is from China and it does work pretty well. It is one of the painful ones. The final product that I'm going to be sharing with you in my beauty favorites is going to be a hair product. I've went through multiple different hair products trying to figure out what worked with my perm. My perm is pretty much like 3 months old now, so it is starting to kind of fall out. But this is my first time ever having a perm, so trying to find a product that I liked was kind of like chaotic. But I found this one that I do like a lot. This is the Moroccan Curling Perfection Defining Cream. I have it in my hair today. I did brush out the curls a little bit, but it really does help them to kind of curl up and hold the shape. If I don't use this, my hair is just kind of like frizzy and all over the place. But anytime I use this, I feel like I'm having an okay hair day. So I do recommend this if you have like a perm or curly hair. So that is all that I have to share with you guys today in my beauty favorites video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and if you would like to be notified every time I upload, just hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.